come here. If I ever see you making a boring video intro ever again, you're finished on YouTube. Do this instead! 8 seconds. That's all the time you've got to hook the viewer before they move on to the next video. Here's the problem. Goldfish have an attention span of just 9 seconds, but yours, astonishingly, is a second shorter than that. Seriously, share your audience retention percentage after 30 seconds in the comments below. You might be losing half your audience. So in short, literally, time is at a premium. So let's help you start fixing this problem. Provide instant value! Build your video hook as if it's the only seconds the viewer is going to see. Your video needs some form of immediate payoff. That instant gratification is going to make the viewer feel invested so that they watch for longer to get more satisfaction. Start with a pain point! What's a common problem your target audience has? Well, state it and offer a solution. This probably isn't it.
I'm not gonna lie to you. If it feels like the YouTube algorithm is ignoring your smaller YouTube channel, that might be because it actually is. But there is also a simple way that you can address this.
Cheers, Dan. Perfect example, although it was 10 seconds long. When you identify a target audience's problems, that viewer is going to say to themselves, yes, finally somebody who feels my pain. Pain, yeah! And that is going to build an instant relationship with them. Ask a relatable question. Congratulations, you've just monetized your channel and got your first paycheck of $1,000. What are you going to spend it on? Let us know in the comments below while I pick up all of this fake money. Questions that naturally pique curiosity, especially if they relate to your target audience. So ask questions that the video will answer, such as how you might reinvest your first YouTube paycheck into something awesome like vidIQ Max. Did you know YouTube was formed on the 14th of February 2005? But the question is, why? Often reality is stranger than fiction, so open your video with a fascinating fact and then explain the truth behind it during the video. Humans, by nature, love a good mystery, and you can help solve them. Oh, and if you're wondering why, it's because YouTube started out life as a dating site. Because everyone wants to meet their significant other at the zoo, right? Use motion! Editor, you have my permission to go a little crazy in this section. Our brains are hardwired to look for motion and distraction. It's part of our instinctive defense mechanisms. Because of that, you can manipulate this behavior by pulling together both conscious and subconscious attention. Remember when we talked about attention spans being roughly 8 seconds long? Well, all of these visual and audio pattern interrupts are going to reset that attention. Never give the viewer a chance to get bored. Pop culture. The trick to using pop culture references in your video hooks is to make them both timely and entertaining. Use viral memes, repurpose popular audio, transform what's trending into something original that adds your own spin so that it's not copyright claimed. Ask yourself what's popular right now that you enjoy. For example, House of a Dragon, commonly known as Hot D. Then check out the trending section of the social media platforms you use, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit. What are people talking about and sharing? Take all of that inspiration and mash it up. All together now. Dun 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 bum bum bada bum 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 bada bum. Is that gonna get copyright claimed?
The most important days in your life are the day you were born and the day you find out why.
Catchy phrases, famous quotes. Do what you can to grab your viewers' attention. Proverbs, quotes from industry experts, famous lines from film, television, plays. It's simple, really.
Get busy living. You get busy dying.
My favourite movie of all time, that, by the way. It's just basically 3 hours of Morgan Freeman ASMR. The goal of your video should always be to change the way your viewer currently feels. And you can do that through powerful, emotional, inspirational quotes. Start with a joke. Here's a good one, you'll like this. How many views do you need to monetize your channel? 10 million. What's that? Hey, what's this? Oh, it's true. What if this hook is as old as time, but it doesn't make it any less effective? Bringing up a hypothetical but relatable situation is one of the easiest ways to engage your audience. So what if you did need 10 million YouTube Shorts views in 90 days to monetize your channel? I don't know, to be honest. I think you're screwed. I can't help you. Say it like you mean it. I know it sounds obvious, but this camera and this microphone see and hear everything. You can't hide from them. And if you attempt to, your viewers will see and hear straight through it. You're on YouTube because you're passionate about something. Make sure your audience feels this. Make your audience laugh, make them cry, make them motivated, make them watch more. Humans are emotional creatures, but remember this, so are you even after you press record on your camera. I know as a creator that pressing that button sometimes feels like it's draining all of the energy out of you. Instead, use that button as your power up to make an impact on your audience. So now that you've successfully hooked your viewer into the first 8 seconds of a video, how do you trick them into watching more? Well, you've got two options. Either this fake imaginary fishing rod or watching this video over here. I prefer the second option, to be honest.